Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, speedrunning in programming languages. Now, before we get started, let me clarify that we won't be covering all programming languages. There are literally over 1,000 of them out there. Instead, we're going to focus on some of the most common ones that you've likely heard of or even dabbled in yourself. So, buckle up and let's get ready to speedrun through code. 1. Python. First up, let's talk about Python. This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's super popular for web development, data analysis, AI, and more. With its clean syntax and massive libraries like Django and Flask, you can whip up a project faster than you can say, import this. Plus, Python's community is huge, so if you ever get stuck, there's no shortage of resources to help you out. 2. Java. Next on our list is Java. Ah, the classic. Java is like that reliable friend who always shows up on time. It's widely used for building enterprise-level applications and Android apps. The beauty of Java lies in its portability. Write once, run anywhere. With tools like Spring Boot, you can set up a web application in no time. Just make sure you've got your JVM ready. 3. JavaScript. Now let's switch gears to JavaScript. If you're into web development, you can't escape this one. JavaScript is the backbone of interactive websites. Whether you're manipulating the DOM or working with frameworks like React or Vue.js, JS makes your web pages come alive. And with Node.js, you can even run JavaScript on the server side. Talk about versatility. 4. CV. All right, now let's give a shout out to C++. This language is like the heavyweight champion in the world of programming. It's powerful and gives you fine control over system resources. C++ is often used in game development and systems programming. If you want speed and efficiency, C++ is where it's at, but be prepared for a steeper learning curve compared to some other languages. 5. Golang. Speaking of speed, let's talk about Go. Developed by Google, Go, or Golang, is designed for high-performance applications. With its Go routines and channels, Go makes concurrent programming a breeze. If you're building microservices or cloud-native applications, Go is definitely worth considering. It's fast, efficient, and has a clean syntax that makes coding a joy. 6. Ruby. Moving on to Ruby, the elegant language that powers the famous Ruby on Rails framework. Ruby is all about simplicity and productivity. It allows developers to write code that reads almost like English, perfect for those who want to get things done quickly without getting bogged down by complex syntax. Rails is especially great for building web applications rapidly. 7. PHP. Now let's not forget about PHP. This server-side scripting language has been around for ages and is still going strong, especially for web development. With frameworks like Laravel and Symfony, PHP has evolved into a modern powerhouse for building dynamic websites and applications. Speedrunning in PHP means leveraging these frameworks to get your projects off the ground in record time. 8. Swift. Next up is Swift, Apple's darling language for iOS and macOS development. Swift is designed to be fast and efficient while being easy to read and write. With its modern syntax and powerful features, you can build amazing apps for Apple devices in no time. Plus, the performance optimizations make it a top choice for mobile developers looking to speedrun their projects. 9. Rust. All right, let's give a nod to Rust, the language that's taking the programming world by storm. Known for its memory safety and performance, Rust is great for systems programming and building safe concurrent applications. Its ownership model might take some getting used to, but once you do, you'll appreciate how it helps prevent those pesky bugs that can slow you down. 10. Kotlin. Last but not least, we have Kotlin. If you're into Android development, Kotlin is your go-to language. It's fully interoperable with Java and offers a more concise syntax that makes coding a breeze. Google officially supports Kotlin for Android development, so if you want to speedrun your app creations, this is definitely the way to go. So there you have it, our whirlwind tour of speedrunning and some of the most popular programming languages. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all share one thing in common. They can help you get your projects done faster than ever before. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, drop a comment below telling us which language you're planning to speedrun next or share your own experiences with coding. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep coding fast.